Hey guys, Varun Marathi here. How you all doing? So in this video, I'm going to show you the new feature that Microsoft launched, which is the Your Apps feature for the for the Samsung devices which are there right now and Pixel devices. It will be available for other devices as well in the future. So let me show you how it basically works. So if you have a Samsung device, all you actually need is to go in the notification panel over here, and there's a feature for link to Windows. This is the one that you need to turn on. So when you do that, you need to open this application over here, which is your phone. It is already installed in your device. So when you open this application, this is the screen that you will be welcome with over here. So yeah so in this application we had these features already before. So notification, messages, photos, all these features were already present. So the new feature which is there is the apps. So here all the applications which are there on my phone are shown right on your Windows 10 PC, which is really cool because this will eliminate the need of checking your mobile all the time when you are working on your device. It is really important nowadays, considering the situation and work from home is going on a lot. If you do not want to touch your phone all the time, this is where you will get all your notifications, messages from the application. You can just open an application and check whatever you have to right from your Windows 10 PC. So there are a few features. This is still in the beta version over here, so there are things which are problematic in this as well, but it will definitely improve. But you can open any application which is there on your phone on this device in a small window. So this is how it will be shown. Now one bug which I told you about, the phone needs to be unlocked. Now that is one thing which needs to be there, because if it's locked, then the application won't work. So basically you need to have an unlocked phone all the time, and because of which that this is a problem right now. But as you can see over here, any application which is there on your device opens up in this small window, and you cannot resize the application because of some limitation which is there in the Windows. It automatically adjusts to the screen resolution which is there, or the screen size which is there, so you cannot do that. But if any application normally opens up in the landscape mode, it will open up in that mode only. Another feature which is there is you can just instantly reply to any of the messages that will come on your WhatsApp or Facebook as well, or you can just use your keyboard to type. Now again, as you can see, I need to unlock the phone to do that. So if I have to write something over here, using the keyboard, it will show up the phone's keyboard, but you can just use this instead and just do whatever you have to do, post it from here, and it will be posted. So basically it is actually using the screen mirroring technology on the phone. So this is not anything different, I would say, because this feature was present, but now they have integrated it really well with the Windows 10. They have baked it in as a feature of Windows 10. Right now it only works with Samsung devices and maybe Pixel devices. I'm not sure about them, but for Samsung devices they do work. And you can just simply have this application on your desktop all the time, minimize it, and there are certain very cool features as well you can do with these applications. One thing is you can pin it to the favorites. So when you do that, this application will appear over here, which is there on the screen. Another thing that you can do is you can pin it to the start menu, then it will show up in the start menu directly. And then the third thing you can do is pin it to the taskbar over here. So when you do that, that application will appear over here. So now again, as you can see, there is a weird blue border over there. So that these are just bugs which are there in this early build of this feature, but I think it will be solved in the future without any doubt. And we can have many other features added to this as time passes by, and Microsoft will definitely optimize it a lot. As of now, we cannot open two applications at a time. You will only open one application, and the phone sometimes lets up when you are using this application. So that is maybe a bug which is there present in the early build, but definitely it's a very cool feature. It's a right step. It's a step in the right direction. So as you can see, it has opened the application in the same window. So that is one thing. It will not have multiple applications. Maybe also there's a limitation of processing power because it's using screen mirroring, and on the phone you won't be using two applications on the same time. If you're opening another application, the previous one will be minimized. So that's what is happening over here. So yeah guys, these were the basic features that are there. You can also open the camera application and control it from here. I cannot show you right now because my phone, my places are really messy, but you can actually control your camera also from this. So maybe this will be useful if you are a creator, content creator. You can just set up your phone somewhere else, and from there, from the PC, you can just control your camera right away. So it's a really cool feature, guys, and I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments regarding this feature, please write them in the comment section below, and I'll definitely try to answer all of them. If you like the video, guys, please subscribe to my channel, and